Another thing that I learned from one of these meetings years ago was that sometimes it's easier to bring nothing with you that you can't buy when you get there. So like toothbrush, toothpaste, hairbrush, that kind of stuff. I don't even pack that stuff anymore. I just hit the first little grocery store I can find near my hotel or near the airport, and I buy that stuff there so that I don't have to that less stuff that I end up having to pack. The only place that bit me in the butt was in Hawaii. We went on that trip to Hawaii and everything was expensive. You know, you pay $12 for a $1 hairbrush and $14 for a little tube of toothpaste. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but it felt that bad.